Hi guys, welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie and welcome back to my 52 weeks project. We are starting the month of September and of course everybody's got school on their minds. But for me, my kids are a little bit older, so I'm going to kind of change it up a little bit, but I really do like the idea of primary colors for the month of September. So let me show you what I've selected and let me show you the brand new sketches I've got for you. So here I've got 4 new sketches for the month of September, and let's take a peek at this project. We have come a long way. So this project here started back in January and we are all the way down to month 8 and we are starting month number 9. Now, if you look at my video from the month of August, I wasn't sure if I was going to take my photos down here to make it 5 weeks in August, or if I was going to take them here. Now, I did take them in September because we did go back to school shopping. So I'm going to have 5 weeks for the month of September. So let me just go through some of the sketches here with you. These I create every month, and they are all unique. They are all different, and I really like working on a smaller format like this. It's a little bit more forgiving, and you can document a whole bunch of stories, even if they're just everyday life. I'm really, again, enjoying this concept. The concept is simple. Take photos during the week, use your scraps, and create beautiful memories. So let's take a peek at the papers that I've selected for the month of September. Now I kind of feel like I'm cheating a little bit because I'm actually using a full paper pack, but it was in my stash, and this is the mix in from the month of March and April. And the reason why I selected this one is because it does have the primary colors, but they're a little bit more, I guess, upscale. I don't know. I just found that they're not so school oriented, but they've got those really nice browns. The flowers are pretty. It's got some nice blues. I really like this one here with the green and the leaves. It reminds me of September quite a bit. And then we finish it off here with a little bit of yellow, and of course these hearts are just really great. So speaking of hearts, you've seen me use this throughout my project. So these little hearts here are retired, and I was kind of sad when I saw that this was off the list, but they came out with brand new ones, and these ones here are just as good, if not better. So I am going to link these down below, and these ones here too. Like, do you see these little flowers? They actually match the flowers in this pattern right here. Let me just pull that out. So if you see the flowers here, these ones here kind of match that pattern paper, so that's exciting. I just find that these wood embellishments really work well for this format. Again, I'm going to bring in older stamp sets like Strokes of an Artist to do some background work. I'm going to bring in this keyboard upper alphabet, and it is retired, but I do use it to mark off all of my weeks. So we are starting week 35. I'm going to use this one here, my nice background stamp. Sometimes if I don't have enough paper, I make my own. So this one here is called Romantic Backgrounds. And then you know what? If you really like this one, Strokes of an Artist, we have a brand new one here that's available, which is called Perfectly Imperfect. It's got great ink splatters, as you can see, and all of these really pretty backgrounds. So I will link this one down below because it is available. I know that we're using our stash, but sometimes it's fun to add to our stash when we are working on a project such as this one. So here are the sketches for the month of September, and I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. I really can't wait to get started on this month. So as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and if you would like to see the entire project, click on this playlist right here. Have yourself a fantastic day.